Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, kaifa mean how. Kaifa mean how. Takfuruna, you disbelieve. Kaifa takfuruna, how can you disbelieve? Billahi, in Allah. Wa kuntum, while you were. While kuntum, you were. Amwata, lifeless. Fa'ahyakum, then he gave you life. Thumma, then yumitukum, he will give you death. Thumma yuhyikum, then he will bring you to life. Thumma, then ilayhi, unto him turja'un, you will be returned. Huwa, he, alladhi, who khalaqa, created, lakum, for you, ma, what, fil ardi, in the earth, jami'a, all, thumma stawa, then he returned, ila samai, to the heaven, fasawwahunna, and he made them, sab'a, 7 samawatin, heavens, Wahuwa, and he, bikulli, of every, shay'in alim, thing, of everything is all, alim, all knower. Wa'idh, and when, qala, said, rabbaka, your Lord, lil malaikati, to the angels, inni, verily I am, ja'ilun, going to place, fil ardi, in the earth, khalifatan, a successor. Qalu, they said. Remember it, dear students. Qala mean he said, and qalu mean they said. They said, angels said, ataj'alu, will you place, fiha, in it, man, who, yufsidu fiha, will make mischief in it, wa yasfiku dima, and will shed the blood, wa nahnu, and we, nusabbihu, glorify you, bihamdika, with your praises and thanks, wa nuqaddisu, and we sanctify, laka, to you. Qala, he said, inni, indeed, I, a'lamu, I know, indeed I know, ma la ta'lamun, what you do not know, I know, indeed I know, what you do not know. Jazakallah, dear students, remember it and try to write down your lesson and send us before coming class tomorrow. Inshallah, we will check. Mu'minin Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, then can contact us. Jazakallah, fi amanillah, Khuda Hafiz.